Welcome students. Today we are going to study about how to calculate historical risk and return also. So let's begin with the problem. So this is a problem given here, illustration. So it's the data given for 6-year period. So if we see here, the first year return is 15%, second year it is 12%, third year 20%, fourth year minus 10%, fifth year it is 14%, and sixth year it is 9%. So let's calculate. First, we will see return also and we will see the risk also. So if you see, we have total number of 6 periods here. Okay, so already the data written RI is taken here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So let's first see, we have to calculate the return, that is nothing but R bar, we said. So if you see the 15 plus 12 plus 20 minus 10, 14 and 9. So adding this all and we will get 60. That is the summation. And dividing this 60 by number of period, that is 6. So we will get R bar is equal to 10. So it is R bar. It's missing over here. So R bar. So we get the R bar, that is 10. So the average return for 6 years is 10. Now we have to calculate the deviation. So here we have calculated. So RI return minus R bar, that is nothing but the average return of for 6 years. So here if you see, so RI is 15 minus 10. So we will get 5 as an deviation. So if we do the same thing with all the period, so 12 minus 10, we will get 2, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10, we will get 10, minus 10, minus 10, so we get minus 20. So 14 minus 10, we get 4, and 9 minus 10, we get minus 1. Now moving with the deviation, now we have to square it. Because to get the square of the deviation, Ri minus R bar square. So we have already did the deviation, that is here. So here just we are squaring it. So if we square it, 5 square will be 25. So if we do with the 2, it will get 4, and 10 we get 100. Squaring 20 will get 400, and for 4 we'll get 16, and for minus 1 we got 6. So adding together all the values here, so we will get, with the summation, we get 536. So we have seen, first we have to calculate the average return, then we have to do the deviation. So here return minus the average return, what we have got, that is nothing but R bar. Now we have to square the deviation. Now moving further for calculation. So for calculation risk, we have to use this formula as a root of Rm summation Ri minus R bar square divided by n minus 1. So the total already we have got is 536 from the calculation, that is nothing but summation Ri minus R bar whole bracket square. Now n minus 1, so n is 6. So number of period is 6 and minus 1. So we will get 10.4. So the risk associated with the historical return for 6 years, that is 10.4. And the average return is 10, that we have already calculated as an R bar. And the standard deviation, that is nothing but risk, is 10.4.